Today we'll cover the greenBOX's Duct System Cleaning Mode. The greenBOX is designed to maintain minimum conveying velocities throughout your duct system to prevent dust from settling in the ductwork. However, if the complexity of your duct system is underestimated, due to elevation changes or multiple elbows, for example, dust may still settle. This is why we recommend performing daily inspections for the first few days after an Ecogate installation. As an added safeguard, we strongly recommend setting up the built-in Duct System Cleaning Mode. While in cleaning mode, the greenBOX will run the fan at full speed and open all gates to clear out any settled dust. To set this up, open System Settings in your greenBOX user interface and scroll down to Section 4, where we'll configure the cleaning mode settings. First, set the cleaning mode from off to regularly. Next, enable Cleaning Run at Stop. We recommend keeping this on. You also have the option to clean by duct zones, which can make this process even more efficient. The cleaning interval is set to 3,600 seconds by default, or every hour. The cleaning duration should be long enough to open all the gates and allow enough time to clear the entire duct system. Finally, the cleaning minimum run duration setting is for systems that frequently start and stop. Enable this setting to avoid unnecessary cleaning at every stop. It's currently set to 600 seconds, which means actions lasting 10 minutes or less won't trigger a cleaning cycle. Once you've set the cleaning mode settings, your system is ready for smart, efficient dust collection.